What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. It's a small box, but it packs a punch. They are going to be for LED smart light bulbs, low on energy, save money overall. Not to mention they're really cool. Different gatherings, different parties. You can light them up in different colors. For the holidays coming up, for Christmas, you can light them up in red for Santa Claus. And what's really cool about them is that you can use them with your Alexa device. You can use them with your Google Assistant, Google Home Mini, of course, your Echo devices for Amazon. Now, these will only connect 2.4 gigahertz on your router. They are Wi-Fi bulbs, so you have to be in the 2.4 gigahertz range so that they can reach and communicate together. It's app controlled or voice controlled, of course, but you can control the colors on the app, schedule timers, voice control, like I just mentioned, energy saving, 16 million vibrant colors, easily dimmable, and light receipts. This is actually the 4-pack, and just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below the video is gonna be this 4-pack linked up for you guys. If they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. If not, one's very similar to it for you guys in the UK, but look for your links below. Let me run a few specs by you guys here. Again, there are 4 LED bulbs in here. The voltage rating, of course, this would be for the US model, but for the UK, you're gonna have your voltages, but it's gonna be 120 volt AC, 60 hertz. The brightness is gonna be 800 lumens, and the estimated yearly cost is $1.20 energy cost based on 3 hours a day, 11 cents per kilowatt per hour. Cost depends on rates and use. Life is 22.8 years based on 3 hours a day. Light appearance, warm, cool, 2800K through 6000K, energy used 10 watts. And these are by the company Nooie, and they're the Aurora Smart Light. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box. I've already installed 2. We'll go ahead and take them through the test drive and show you all about them. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Like I mentioned, I've already taken 2 out of the box, and they're gonna be inside in a 4-pack, but again, I've already taken 2 out and installed them, so I will go ahead and talk you through that. So here is the bulb here. That is a E26 socket right there. And we have the company logo right on the side there. Your normal screw-in LED light, of course, inside. It definitely has a little bit of weight to it. It's obviously gonna be a little bit heavier with all the Wi-Fi technology in there, but I'm just letting you know about that. Now, it does also state that you don't wanna use these bulbs in with dimmers, meaning that your hardwire switch, don't use it in that. You can dim this, but don't use it in a dimmer. Use it in a regular socket that does not dim. And let me show you some tips on how I installed it. Alexa, turn on reading light. Okay, so this one is actually installed right here in this lamp, but what I did is I actually came over to here and put out a little lamp here just in case. Sometimes if your router has trouble going around doors, bedrooms, etc., I just made it easy. I came out here to the kitchen. My router is literally right behind it by the television back over there, and I installed them in the app here, connecting it. Now, a problem that I did have right off the bat is each one, upon turning it on, lit up in a normal color like this. It's supposed to flash blue. And so what I actually had to do, it failed to connect, and so I had to go through the AP mode in the app. It'll show you how to reset the bulbs. It goes blue, and then you turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, and then it lights up kind of a greenish, orangish color, and that's when you know you're gonna be in AP mode. Took about 20 seconds after that. You guys might be right off the bat, you guys might be able to connect first time around, but I'm just letting you know. And then what I did is I took it out and then put it in my other lamp in my bedroom. So here is the one that is in my room, and we were just talking out here in the kitchen. And so here is the room, and I actually like this because this is the warm color. And for my bedroom, especially reading at night, some of you guys might like the hyper blues, and of course it can do that as well. Not to mention the reds and greens. We're gonna get into that, don't you worry. I just have to switch over to my Droid device so I can film it and use the app at the same time. All right, once you have the bulb connected, let's go ahead and look at a couple features of it when it is connected to your Google Home or your Echo device. I will be using the trigger word, so if you want to lower the volume, that is up to you here. For my Echo device, I will use that trigger word to give you a heads up. I have renamed this one Gray Lamp, so let's see what she can do. Alexa, turn off gray lamp.
Did you mean gray lamp?
Yes. Nice. She doesn't do that all the time. Okay, we're gonna back it up a little bit because I think I'm getting a little bit of interference with, I have another one over here. So let me go ahead and try this again. Alexa, turn off gray lamp.
Did you mean gray lamp?
Yes. Alexa, turn on gray lamp.
Did you mean gray lamp?
Yes. Well, it's working. I'm not sure why she's double confirming like that. She normally doesn't do that often, but for some reason she is. Anyway, but I'm just showing you that it does work with your voice. So if you do not have the Wi-Fi sockets, which I actually have those, meaning that you plug them in here, and then whatever device you plug it into, you name it that way, these bulbs give you that technology in there, not to mention the color changing technology. So let's go ahead and get my Android pad so I can show you while I'm filming with this. And if you are wondering, the app actually tells you how to connect it to your Google Assistant or your Echo devices. You have to go in Skills on your Alexa app. And then I actually took the bulb out, came in and put it into my nightstand lamp. It's going to be a little darker in here so I can show you a little bit better. What's nice is that it does have the warm settings, of course. Let's go ahead and look at the app here. You can schedule it right here. You can do themes. You can get a more of a bright contrast, warm blue, some hues going on there. You, of course, can turn it on and turn it off right there with the app or voice control if you don't have your devices. Of course, this is Wi-Fi, so you can use it over that. But I personally like, and you can also use the color wheel for that. I have it perfectly set. I love that one right there. But let's say you want to get a little crazy. But before we do that, in settings here, that's where you would then connect it right over here, push your one you have, your Amazon or Google. That is, of course, in settings there. So let's go ahead and go back over. You swipe right to left, and then it turns automatically. And let's say you want to go that way, then it goes back to warm, and then you slide it that way, and then you go back to this color wheel. This color wheel is really cool. We have the red there. So let's say you're having a themed party. We have blues there, kind of purple blue, more blue there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play with this wheel here while I film it. I don't want to keep going up and down and make you guys sick. Look at that. So you go in greens, yellows, coming down to different contrasts, going down. Look at that, huh? And then let's get, ooh, look at that, like a hot pink. Coming down to a purple, coming around, kind of purple blue. Look at that, it's cool. And then, of course, your toggle switches are right there. Again, schedule. Let's go ahead and tap on schedule real quick. Let's get some better light on so we can look at this a little bit better. Schedule. Let's go ahead and tap on schedule. You can do all sorts of your time frames, etc. Schedule on or off. Monday, kind of hard to see on camera, but this has an M for Monday, a T for Tuesday, all the way to S for Sunday there. You check it. And themes here. Let's go ahead and look at themes. So if you want to do more of a theme, natural, romantic, floating, cheerful, you can do a plus a theme. Let's go ahead and push romantic. Valentine's Day with your spouse. How about that? Automatically goes to that. Let's look at floating. Floating would be more of a, okay. Then it kind of dances a little bit. That's cool. Very nice. All right, let's look at a little bit more playful. Whatever playful is. Let's see if it does anything. Okay. I think it just stays put. Let's go ahead and see active. Let's go ahead and see if anything happens active. All right. Okay, I don't think it's going to do anything else. Let me see here. Natural. Okay, yeah, natural. I like natural. I like the warmness of a light. Reading by a warm light. I'm not into those fluorescent lights, so this is very nice. And then let's go ahead and hit theme here. And then theme, you just do your own custom thing, and that's kind of cool. So you go like right in the middle or whatever, and then you hit check mark. Let's make sure floating. Yeah, floating actually does do like multiple. I like that. I like floating actually. Let's see, calm, custom, cheerful. Let's see what's up with cheerful. I don't want to take too much of your time here. Kind of hard to see. I'm looking at a different color than the color on the screen. That's more of a yellow, warm hue. You guys are looking at more of a golden, warm color. I'm looking at more of a yellow, warm color, but my phone is showing a little bit different of a color. Anyway, very, very nice, guys. Overall, a cool little app. awesome functions, not to mention a good reading light as well. I really like the settings it's on right now, and my IKEA lamps are out of there, and these ones have now replaced it. Guys, if you want to get your hands on this exact same lamp, being able to connect it to Google or your Amazon devices, look again in the description box below. I like them. Pick a couple up for stocking stuffers. Thumbs that video up if it has helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you guys on the next review. My name's Chris. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.